Hi, my name is Desiree. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and if you watched my first unboxing, you'll know what I mean when I say unboxing. On my first video, it was a complete failure. I couldn't get the bag in frame. It just didn't work out, so I put everything out to the side and just showed the bag. Unfortunately, it happened again. Well, no, it didn't happen again. I recorded it and it was a lot better than the first video. I was really excited, so I decided to go ahead and try my hand at editing, which was a failure. I was very excited. I didn't ask for help, which I should have asked one of my kids for help. And I got on my computer and I decided, oh, I'm gonna do this and it's gonna be great. Nope. What happened was I tried to put the files into my computer, and somehow I not only deleted the files from my computer, I deleted them from my camera. So everything is gone. Everything is gone. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel and you don't have any experience and you're just trying new things, I highly suggest taking little videos and playing with editing on that first before you record a full video, are super happy with it, and then lose it. Anyways, so today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing from it's a bag from the Broderie Anglaise collection. And I saw this bag on Lula LV's channel. She was doing a little update on what's to come. And when this little bag popped up, I signed off of her channel, jumped onto the Louis Vuitton website, and it wasn't there. So I had to keep checking. Luckily, I was able to pre-order. So I got my bag. So anyways, let me show you which one it is. So it comes in this little box. And it comes in this tiny little dust bag. And if you watched her videos or you know anything about the Broderie Anglaise collection, you know what bag this is just by the size of the dust bag. Anyways, so the little bag I got was the Nano Noe in the saffron color. And I think this is such a beautiful little bag. Honestly, this kind of, when I was trying it on in the first video, I mentioned that it looks like a piece of jewelry when you're wearing it crossbody. It just adds so much to an outfit. It's very beautiful. So the stitching is like a golden color. It's the same color as the bag, which is saffron, but the threading looks a little more, a little darker, a little golden, maybe just a little more golden because it's thread. The inside of the bag is also the saffron color. And this is my favorite part, the little top handle. I think that is so cute. I'm in love with this little bag. This bag was made in France. I don't know if that's actually coming out or not, but this bag is made in France. And it comes with the adjustable crossbody. And let me just show you what the product details are on the Louis Vuitton website. So it mentions that the bag is 5.1 inches in length, 6.3 inches in height, and 3.9 inches in width. So it is a super tiny bag, but I do know just from the first unboxing that since it is a little open space, all of the things that I would carry when I use a small bag, they all fit. So let me just go ahead and show you. So the first thing I would take with me would be my Dior key pouch, and I have my office keys, my car key, and my driver's license is also in here. I would also take my Dior card case. I would carry AirPods. I don't carry them with me all the time, but occasionally I do. I would also take my lip oil or whatever lip product I would be using that day. Oh, this is a necessity, especially if I'm using a little bag like this, which is my bag holder. I would not want to put this bag even on a clean table because sometimes they look clean and there's like a little sticky residue. So I always carry this with me. I would also carry my Visine because I'm a contact wearer, so I need to carry Visine with me. I also have kids, so Tide stick. What else? Oh, my iPhone, which is the iPhone mini, fits in. And this is my favorite thing. My son made this for me. It's a mirror, but he made this. His favorite animal is a rhinoceros, and he drew this and put it on a little mirror. So this is my favorite. He's 14 now, so it brings back memories to when before they would talk back and act their age. So let's see. Anyways, that's all of my stuff, and it fits in. Nothing's poking out. There's still room if you need to carry other things. There's actually quite a bit of room. Like I can stick my hand in there, and it's not crowded at all. But that's all I would carry with me. And then it ties up pretty tight. And there she is. Oh, I just think she's so cute. I love her. I'm so excited to wear her. I think she's gonna look good with spring rompers or summer rompers and dresses, and a little pop of color to neutral outfits. Let me just show you how she looks crossbody. I hadn't been too excited about things that Louis Vuitton had been bringing out lately, so when this came up, this was, I wish they would do more pieces like this than with the so many. Don't get me wrong, I do like the bags with the bright colors and things like that, but sometimes I feel like some of them are going too much toward like something I would buy for my niece, a little girl. They feel too playful for me. So this one, for me, in my opinion, is playful, but it's still elegant. It still feels, I don't want to say mature, but I can't think of another word right now. It feels like a fun bag that a grown woman would carry. So let me show you how it looks crossbody. So anyways, that's all I have to say about the new little Nano Noe in the Broderie Anglaise collection. Let me know, did you like this bag? Did you buy this bag? Did you buy anything else from the Broderie Anglaise collection? I'm really considering the, it's not the Capucines, it's one of the Capucines came in this color. So I don't think I would get another bag in the same color, but if it was available again, I would try to get, I can't remember, but it's about, I don't know. If I remember, then I'll add the name somewhere or link it somehow. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.